Now, if we look at Plotly, I just want to show you plotly.com. If I can, I just want to show you really quick some examples of some of these Plotly charts. Because there are hundreds of different options. Okay, so we've got scatter plots and matrices and whatever these are. We've got violin charts and bar charts and stacked bar charts. And you can do scatter plots where each dot represents a variable size by the size of the dot. So these are bubble charts. You can do heat maps, box plots, histograms, and then you get into the really advanced stuff. With Plotly, you can actually do maps that are charts. So if I wanted to take my data from that shark attack data, and I wanted to show a map where each state was highlighted in a different color based on the number of shark attacks or ice cream sales for that state, I could do that in Plotly Express. So it does machine learning applications. So this is really, really powerful, big piece of software, but it's really simple to use for most applications. So I'm not even being paid by Plotly to say all of these nice things. This is just really, really good stuff. So if you want to play around with Plotly, that is what I would recommend if you want to generate some really cool looking charts using Python.